Hi, I'm Sharon from Spanish Town Heritage Foundation, and today we are going to make some little party bells. If you will Google the Trujillo adobe on YouTube, you'll find a video about the founding of La Placita de los Trujillos, and you will know the importance of the bell to our heritage. So we make the little bells and we tell the bell story. So what you'll need is a cup, a 10-inch string, a bead, and a little glue, and then 3 strips of crepe paper in a variety of colors. So we begin by putting a little bit of glue. If you get the coffee cups that have the ribs, those really help because the children can then follow the ribs to apply their crepe paper. So you start with each row, and I'm not going to do the whole thing, but you put the glue on and then you just kind of gather it going around. And when you come to the end, you know, just if you have a little bit extra, you just, of course, glue this here, and then just back up and gather it around, and it will look like this. It'll be a little lacy looking. Then you do a second row right here, so you put another color, and then the third row at the top. So how we prepare the cups, which we do before, this is the part that the children do, but we typically have the cups prepared before we go to the classroom. And we do that by taking the string, tying a knot in the bottom and adding a bead like this. And then using a crochet hook, poke a hole, this is a tiny one, poke a hole in the bottom of the cup, grab the string and pull it through. Now, the problem becomes if you don't somehow stop it, we tried knots, but then when the children would manipulate them, of course, the knots would pull through. So what we decided to do was just to put a little dab of glue at the top of the string. And so we pre-make these. We put the bead and the string through. Then the fun part is, of course, the decorating part. So we do 3 layers like this, and then when you're done, you have a little bell that the kids can ring. And they can go home and tell their family the story of the bell and its significance to the founding of Riverside. So, hope you enjoy this craft and you have lots of fun making bells, and you talk about the famous bell of La Placita de los Trujillos and the Agua Mansa settlement in Riverside. Thank you. Have fun.